To pair AirPods into your Samsung A07, first of all, just enter for the pairing mode on your AirPods. In my case, I've got AirPods Pro 3rd generation, so I have to open the case with both AirPods inside, and I have to close it, then reopen and double tap on this LED icon to enter for the pairing mode. Now we have to put them close into the phone and we have to enter for the settings. We have to open connections and we have to open Bluetooth settings. And now we are just waiting for AirPods Pro that will appear on available devices list. So now as you can see, I have to just click here and I will get a pairing request that I have to accept. It will take around a few moments. Sometimes it will pop up like immediately, sometimes you have to wait. As you can see, I've got some couldn't connect issue. So we can try to do this one more time, or we can simply turn off the Bluetooth. Now as you can see, everything is fine and we can just connect. That's how it actually looks. Thanks for watching this video.